Our next topic is double integration from Cartesian to polar. Now integral form is double integration f of xy dx dy. This is a Cartesian form. It is get converted into polar form. Double integration f of r theta dr d theta by using polar coordinates. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, x square plus y square is equal to r square, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. These are the fixed polar coordinates. Now for different figures we have different type of limits. For limits, for first is a standard equation of circle. Equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square, where center of this circle is 0 0. This is in figure. Radius of the circle is a. Then this is figure of circle. Starting angle is theta is equal to 0. Next angle is pi by 2. Then theta is equal to pi and 3 pi by 2, and again theta is equal to 0. Now if we have to find the limits of this limits in this polar form, we have to take this type of strip, this shaded line. This is a flexible strip. Now this strip, the end point of this strip is at origin, and therefore the limit of r at this point is r is equal to 0. Means limit of r means what? Limit of the strip. Lower limit of the strip, that is lower limit of r is 0. Upper limit of r means upper end of the strip, the value of r. Now r means here strip, but r is here radius, and the radius is a. Therefore value of r is a. Then upper limit of r is a. Therefore limits of r is from 0 to a. Now limits of theta. Now to find theta, rotate this strip whose end point is at the origin. Now rotate this strip from theta is equal to 0. Starting of rotation is from theta is equal to 0. Therefore lower limit of theta is 0. Now this strip will start from theta is equal to 0, and it will cover this total region of the circle, and when its end again at theta is equal to 0, but that means this strip will complete the rotation through angle 360 degree, that is theta is equal to 2 pi. Then lower limit of theta is 0. Rotation is starting from theta is equal to 0, and the strip will complete the rotation to cover this total region. This total angle is 2 pi, that is 360 degree, and therefore limits of theta is from 0 to 2 pi. Similarly, in suppose this circle is only in first quadrant. First quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Again the center is 0 0. Radius is a. Center is 0 0 in this circle. Again same circle hai. Center 0 0 and radius is a. Now it is only first quadrant of the circle, that means that theta is from 0 starting of the rotation. Again we have to take here strip. Lower limit means lower end of the strip, that the value of r is 0 here. Upper end of the strip means value of r is a. R means here radius. Therefore limits of r from 0 to a. rotation of this strip. Now rotation will start from theta is equal to 0 and it will end on the line theta is equal to pi by 2, that is 90 degree. Therefore limits of theta is 0 to pi by 2. Limits of r means lower limit of r means lower end of the strip, value of r, that is r is equal to 0. Upper limit of r means upper end of the strip, value of r is equal to a. Limits of theta means rotation. Lower limit means starting angle of the strip, that is theta is equal to 0, and upper limit means end of the rotation, that theta line, that is pi by 2. Now this is about circle. Generally in our example, the next figure is ellipse. Equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now here elliptical polar coordinates. Elliptical coordinates are given by x is equal to ar cos theta, y is equal to br sin theta, dx dy is equal to a b r dr d theta. How to remember this? In a circle where x is only r cos theta, in ellipse that is a is multiplied in the x value. For y is equal to r sin theta. For ellipse b is multiplied for r sin theta. In circle dx dy is only r dr d theta, but in ellipse dx dy is a b r dr d theta. Now this is figure of ellipse. Again we have to find suppose limits. Limits of theta. Now this rotation will start from theta is equal to 0. Now this rotation will start and we have to cover this total region. This is movement of the strip will start from theta is equal to 0 and it will come again at the same position, but the total angle is theta is equal to, total rotation is 360 degree, that is theta is equal to 2 pi. Lower limit of theta is 0. Rotation is starting from line theta is equal to 0. Upper limit is theta is equal to 2 pi, means the rotation angle theta is equal to 0 starting from theta is equal to 0 and it completes the total region. Then it completes the total rotation of 360 degree. Therefore upper limit of theta is 2 pi. Now limits of r. Limits of r at this end of the strip, lower end of the strip, r is equal to 0. The lower end is r is equal to 0. It is at origin. Now upper end of the strip. Now like a circle, this is not similar. At this upper end of the strip, value of r. Now how to find this r? This is for upper limit of r. Equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. In this equation, if we put x is equal to ar cos theta, y is equal to br sin theta, then x square upon x square means r a square r square cos square theta upon a square, y means br sin theta, b square r square sin square theta upon b square is equal to 1. A square cancel, b square cancel, r square common in bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Therefore r square is equal to 1. That means r is equal to 1. That is a method of finding upper limit actually. Lower limit of r means end point of the strip. Value of r is equal to 0. Upper limits of r, for upper limits in equation of ellipse we put polar coordinates, elliptical coordinates, and then if we solve you will get r is equal to 1. Therefore upper limit of r is 1 in ellipse. In circle, upper limit of r is radius because it is already on the circle, r is equal to a. In this way we can find limits and limits in polar form.